Hi everyone! Welcome to the Peace Room! Welcome to the Peace Room. Have you ever been here before? No? Well, let me tell you a little bit about it. The Peace Room is where students come down to get a break from the busy hallways, the classroom, or anything that's going on at home or in school. You can just sit down, take a break, talk to one of us, or play a game.
So over here in this corner, we have some yoga balls and some yoga mats if you want to practice some mindful movements or any meditation.
This is our beanbag area where students like to come down. You can just take a seat. They're very comfortable. We have some pillows. We also keep these stress balls and these fidgets where some students like to play with them. Other students just like to relax or listen to music on our beanbags.
Here we have some games if you want to come down and play any of them. We also have some books if you just want a good read to decompress for a little bit, or even just an inspirational quote if you need something to get you through your day. Here you can come down and talk to us, whether it's just to say hey or tell us about your day, anything you've been struggling with recently, and we're here to offer some OT tips or just talk to you about anything.
High school can be a really tough time for a lot of students, so we're here to offer any advice or an encouraging word to help you get through your day, especially those tough ones. Thanks for touring the Peace Room with us. If you're already on the Peace Room list, don't forget to have your teacher call down first.
And if you are interested in coming to the Peace Room, make sure you talk to your guidance counselor. Have a peaceful day!